Hello everyone, my name is Amer and I'm a channel sales engineer at OPSWAT. At OPSWAT, our mission is to protect the world's critical infrastructure from known malware and zero-day attacks. But what is critical infrastructure? Critical infrastructure refers to the technologies and assets that are essential for the functioning of society and economy, such as water, electricity, energy supplies, finance, and health systems. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how OPSWAT protects the world's critical infrastructure with a comprehensive cybersecurity platform that provides multiple lines of defense across both IT systems and the OT environment. First, let's talk about the OT side. The OT environment contains PLCs, HMIs, warning lights. This environment is often completely air-gapped from the IT network. However, as these systems are becoming more interconnected, it's important to have a safeguard in place. That's where our unilateral gateway comes in. It allows for one-way communication, ensuring that your OT network is properly isolated from the IT network. In addition, we have our OT Fusion solution, which is essentially an ADS IPS, which acts as a last line of defense for your PLCs. It ensures that only safe and secure commands and codes can be sent to your control systems. But it's not enough just to protect your OT systems. You also need to monitor all assets within your OT environment. That's where our Neuralizer solution comes in. It creates a baseline of all your OT assets so you know exactly what should be there. If it detects anything unusual or out of place, it will alert you, providing not only an IP address or a MAC address, but also a picture of the assets or the unknown devices. This way, you can take appropriate actions. Of course, there will be times when you need to transfer files within your OT environment, such as updating or upgrading firmwares for the OT devices in place. That's where our Vault systems comes in. It's a secure file sharing solution that scans all files for malware or vulnerabilities and uses our deep CDR technology to sanitize the files before they can be used. But how do these files get into the air-gapped OT network? There are several ways. One option is to use our Meta Defender kiosk. The kiosk uses multiple modules to scan the media, including multi-scanning with up to 34 anti-malware engines, to detect unknown threats and our deep CDR model, to sanitize files for unknown threats. It also includes a proactive DLP, which is a data loss prevention model that prevents the transfer of sensitive data such as social security number, credit card, details, etc. Another way to transfer files is through a portal or a registration page where you need to upload attachments like Word documents or PDF files. We can integrate these through API or an ACAP server in a case of a proxy, a next-gen firewall, or any network appliance that supports ACAP protocols. This allows us to scan the files with our Meta Defender core solution and apply our unique technologies such as multi-scanning, deep CDR, and data loss prevention, threat intelligence, and vulnerability assessments. Before transferring them to the Vault or any other storage solutions that can be also protected by Meta Defender Secure Storage that will ensure periodic scanning and enhanced security for your external and internal storage. Cybercriminals often use email as attack vector, exploiting file attachments and malicious links to spread malware and phishing attacks. To protect against the threats, we have a solution that utilizes anti-phishing, deep CDR, proactive DLP, and 30 AV scanning engines to ensure that your files are safe to use whether your email is hosted in the cloud or on-premise. At OPSWAT, we take a proactive approach to network security. Our philosophy is simple: trust no file, trust no device. To ensure that only safe, secure, and compliant devices are allowed on our network, we have implemented a number of measures. For example, if you are planning on bringing an external computer or server into the network, you can use our Meta Defender drive to scan for threats and ensure that the devices are compliant before granting them access to the network. When accessing the network remotely, or in the case of bring your own device, we have the ability to use the Meta Access platform to check for devices compliance and remove any unauthorized programs. We also enforce strict security protocols as two-factor authentication and device monitoring through our OPSWAT client. Additionally, we provide extra layer of protection such as anti-keylogging and anti-screenshots technology to further secure our network. In conclusion, OPSWAT's comprehensive cybersecurity platform provides multiple lines of defense to protect the world's critical infrastructure from the IT all the way down to the air-gapped OT environment. If you want to learn more about our products, please visit opswat.com. Thank you for watching.